Hey, can I make a confession? Sometimes I wish I was born a boy. That way, Dadi would praise me as much as she praises Bhaiya. That way, Papa would let me wear whatever I want, play whenever I want, laugh however I want. I wish things were different. That way, I could do my dream job and not constantly worry about making my career family oriented. Even though financially independent, it's ironical how my decisions are just never my own. From leaving my father's home to adjusting to husband's, from changing my surname to changing my lifestyle, it feels like my identity is never my own. And that's what parents also said, right? Be a good daughter in law, always prioritize them. And now that I'm a mother, working round the clock, wishing the world for my child, I find myself still craving to laugh however I want and be whoever I want.